Okay, this is die. And insert the die into the hole and do like this. Screw. Here, this is spanner. Use this spanner, insert here to screw from A to B, from this way to this way. Like, follow me. Okay, down. Look. When you raise this kind of handle, and you can see the gap between these two narrows or wide. So how to make it? When you make the gap is about a third of your diameter of your rod. Okay, stop, and you can see here. Screw from A and B, A, B. Okay, and then lock. Okay, that's all. So let's check the gap between these two. Let's do a field test. Đây bạn. Thế hợp.